Earth is surrounded by gases and molecules atmosphere. It absorbs the UV rays of solar radiation. The adverse effects of pollution include depletion of the ozone by chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs used as refrigerants, and global warming by elevated CO2, industries, deforestation, and partial combustion. The alterations of or changes in the composition of the Earth's atmosphere by natural or human activities. Anthropogenic factors are referred to as air pollution. Pollutants include the abundant presence of solid, liquid, or gaseous substances produced by human or natural activity. The nature and concentration of a pollutant determines the severity of detrimental effects on organisms and human health. Uh, Air pollution can be discharge of dust or particulate matter of 2.5 microns, discharge of gases such as SO2, NO2, CO, and CO2. Carbon monoxide (CO) is produced mainly due to incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Automobiles are major causes of CO pollution in large cities and towns. Automobile exhaust fumes from factories, emission from power plants, forest fires, and burning of firewood contribute to CO pollution. With rapid urbanization, a major amount of carbon dioxide and sulphur dioxide is released in the atmosphere from automobiles, aeroplanes, power plants, and other human activities that involving the for burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil. CO2 is the main pollutant that is leading to global warming. Nitrogen oxides are also major air pollutants for fossil fuel combustion, and automobile exhaust are the source of nitrogen oxides. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are the major causes of acid rain. Particulate matters are tiny particles of solid matter suspended in a gas or liquid. Combustion of fossil fuels, fly ash produced in thermal power plants, forest fires, asbestos mining units, cement factories are the main sources of particulate matter pollution. Transport sources. Major sources of air pollution are cars, buses, airplanes, trucks, trains. Stationary sources are power plants, incinerators, oil refineries, industrial facilities, and forestries and factories. Area sources are agricultural, wood, stubble burning, fireplaces. Natural sources are wind-blown dust, wildfires, volcanoes. Effects of air pollution are they affect all organisms as they depend on the atmosphere for respiration, causes irritation in throat, nose, lungs, and eyes. Contaminated air reduces the body's defense mechanism and decreases the body's capacity to fight other infections in the respiratory system. Frequent exposure to polluted air increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Um, People who exercise outdoors can sometimes be susceptible to adverse effects of air pollution because it involves deeper and faster breathing. Gas leaks can be lethal or affect the quality of air in the affected area. CO in the atmosphere interferes with O2 transport since hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon monoxide than oxygen.